Jackson's widow bird. This young male is new to the mating game, and to attract a female, he needs to master one of the grassland's most complicated chat-up lines. For the last 2 days, he's been busy constructing a 3 feet wide amphitheatre, complete with a strange central tuft. But this little bird faces a big problem from down in the grass. His efforts go unheard. Jumping up to 3 feet, he clears the undergrowth, broadcasting his distinctive trill at the peak of each leap, until he catches the ear of a female. But he's not the only bachelor out to impress. Lots of them, all trying to attract the female by out-jumping. To entice her over, he must give it everything he's got. Shaking his magnificent tail feathers like a giant rattle, he creates a stream of rapid-fire clicks. But then, things get even stranger. He hides from his date. It's known as a peekaboo display. Only when he believes she's been wooed does he bring out the final chat-up line. Has he done enough? Sadly, no.